El martes yo iba por una calle, yo todo pinchado. Y paró una tipa en un carro BMW.
Oh my God.
Bonita, yo me quedé viéndola, ella quedó viéndome y ella me dijo, súbase. Yo le dije, adelante o atrás, me dijo, adelante, hijo de puta, que yo estaba en el carro.
What?
Yo, I was mad.
Oh my God. Oh shit.
What I understood was BMW. Him
No,
looking
wait,
back
no,
at
we gotta say
BMW,
what
the
you
BMW
say
looking
right
back.
now,
Do you want it in front or
Ella me
back?
dijo, súbase. Yo le dije, adelante o atrás. Y me dijo, adelante, hijo de puta, porque lo cojo con el carro. Oh, man, no, qué pena.
We got like laid out.
He says it, he's like, say how you walking on the street, how?
No, yo iba todo pinchado. Going to practice. Like this. And then
That
she just
sucks.
comes out of nowhere.
Say it in English.
Huh?
No
They wouldn't get it.
He basically just got played out by some girl.
On the BMW.
Oh.
Oh, I got you. You thought she was coming telling you, come in my
No,
car.
I was recording.
And then she was like, come in. He was like, for the back or the front?
She was like, no, you don't.
You can't say I'm right.
Yeah.
Something side.
No, she was like, get on. And I was
You
like,
like
in
from
the
the
front or
front,
the back? And she was like, no, on the sidewalk. You got me?
Like get on the sidewalk and she's gonna hit you with a car.
I got you. I got you.
I didn't get it in Spanish that much. You were on the street. Oh, I thought you were on the sidewalk. That's why I was like, okay. Oh, you stopped.
And it was a one-way too. Oh, really?
He thought he was gonna get her? Oh shit, that's hilarious. Like, get on the freaking sidewalk. Yo, if I was there, I would have been dying.
That happened to me. I don't believe.
What is that word mojo? I keep hearing I heard it yesterday in the
That's my
70s show.
mojo.
I heard it on Nickelodeon for, I don't know.
Austin Power say that last year.
What's mojo? What's
Say
mojo?
that last year.
I am the guru Pitka. Oh, yeah, I saw that.
Oh, that was funny. Yeah, I saw it. I saw Get Smart.
Mojo. I don't know. I can start like from London.
Oh, that's
Right, Sasha? Right, Sasha?
Oh my God! Yesterday I was at the mall. There was this couple and
Dame como